Hey guys, it's Chris. I'm really excited today to announce to you the launching of our new VIP program. This program is designed to arm you with a ton of information so that you can be as safe as possible on the road and also just have a more enjoyable experience when you're using RVi products. So the way everything's structured is it's a series of courses that are laid out on our website. They're short, they're simple, but again, packed with a ton of great information that's just gonna really help you out as an RVi user. You can go through as few or as many as you want to, whether it's just the products you own or maybe products you're also looking at that you want to understand better. That's totally an option. And then on the back end of things, we have some great exclusive benefits for you. And that can include access to sales maybe a little early, some exclusive product discounts, and also access to our new affiliate marketing program. So again, some really cool benefits there on the back end. And then again, it'll just help you to be more of an authority on the RVi products you own, whether you're talking to a friend or whether you're trying to troubleshoot something on the road. It's going to really help you out from that standpoint as well. So we can't wait to see you on the other side. If you have any questions about this new program or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. We're available by phone, chat, or email. In the meantime, guys, happy RVing.